Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look what has happened on Monday session on euro currency. So in vehicle research we have specified the trading plan that we will follow on euro currency, and major idea was that actually euro keeps not bad overall bullish sentiment on the higher time frames on the weekly and monthly chart due to some indirect signs that point on some strength on the market. At the same time, on the daily intraday charts, the price is really very noisy, choppy, and it's very difficult to make a decision because it's significant swings in opposite directions where the major levels were broken, and some really patterns that initially was seemed as sufficient conditions for taking position has been erased. That's why right now we're following mostly the careful approach and needs to get real clear bullish signs on the daily intraday basis to make the decision on the trade. And currently, yesterday in the weekend we have talked about this. On the daily chart we've got bullish engulfing pattern here at the deep 786 pip support, and we said that we need to get some confirmations, clear bullish patterns on the intraday charts to make a decision on the possible position taken on the euro currency. So what we have right now on the intraday charts. So first on the daily, take a look at market right now is calling around the MACD line, and as you understand, the one thing could happen is market could form the bearish grabber. That will be not a really good sign here. That's the pattern that we should worry about. So keep an eye on the daily and today's close, what will happen here. On the intraday chart, guys, market indeed has shown some upward action, mostly because of the easing of the tariffs for us. As you know that Chinese leader is taking the part in some forum, and he said that it will make the overall Chinese economy more open and will decrease the import tariffs and trying to resolve the problems and the tensions with the United States. And that has diminished the overall concern of this subject. Second, yes, the Mario Draghi said that European Central Bank is not really worried about the equity volatility, so it doesn't suggest that economy has some problems. It also has supported the euro currency, and you can see this upward action. So right now, market stands above both pivots, above the weekly pivot point and above the monthly pivot point. Here, a kind of the head and shoulders is forming, as you can see. So in weekend we also said that the most probable pattern that we could see here is a kind of the reverse head and shoulders. And currently market is coming to the major resistance. So this is kind of the neckline should be. Also it will be major 50% resistance, favorite level for the euro currency, weekly pivot resistance 1, and kind of the neckline. So here we should keep an eye on a possible retracement. It will be perfect if market will show a kind of the ABCD action. It will give us guardless triple to buy, and it will be existence of the one bullish pattern and accompanied with another larger reverse head and shoulders could give at least something, some supportive issue for taking the long position here. So that would see on 4-hour time frame chart. On the hourly chart, guys, market mostly has completed the setup that we have talked about in the hourly chart in the weekend. So take a look here. We also have some bullish signs. That was our initial minor head and shoulders pattern that we have discussed in the weekend. We said that most probable that will be head and shoulders. So, and as a result, market already has broken this channel. We said that we would like to see the breakout of the channel and forming major bullish reversal swing. So yes, compared to these lower swings, market indeed has formed a bullish reversal swing, but currently we are trading this overall action down, because you can see there's different swings. So that was first swing, and that is kind of the second swing to the downside. So we need to see some kind of the upward breakout here, so breaking of this lower lows, lower highs tendency. The OP target, already I have marked it as OP. It has not been reached yet totally, because if you will see in the real target, it stands slightly higher than market has reached. So you can see it's probably here maybe will be some kind of the upward continuation before retracement was started in reaching of the OP target here. So that being said, on the euro currency, clear bullish signs are forming. So we see some purchasing power exists on the euro. This market is drifting higher. So indeed the channel has been broken. You can see this acceleration action exists, some thrusting action exists. Head and shoulders, first head and shoulders has been formed. The market already mostly has completed first target. Larger pattern could be formed very soon. It means that right now, as market is coming to the neckline, we need to keep an eye on possible retracement down. Following the harmony of this price behavior, we see that 22.85 is very probable area of retracement. Because take a look at this clear support. Here's support again, breakouts, kind of the resistance again, should be support here. But also we can't exclude the chance where market will try to retest the broken channel border. So it'll be 50% on even 618 maybe. But first level to watch for is 22.86. So we will be able to estimate the possible target of the retracement as soon as we will see a retracement on progress. So kind of the ABCD will be formed, maybe some other pattern will be formed. Let us to specify the depth of the retracement better. So that is what we see right now on euro currency. That being said, first we are waiting for reaching and completion hourly ABCD around major resistance right here. Second, we wait for acceptable gradual retracement somewhere to weekly pivot point, somewhere to the 2280 area. And there we probably will have to make the decision depending on how market will behave. So of course we do not want to see this collapse, this kind of action on the way down. What we really see it kind of the gradual retracement. So let's see how the situation will develop.